Hello students, my name is Oliva and it's your YouTube channel Physics with Oliva. Now start today's problem. At first read the problem. A bus is moving with speed of 10 meter per second on a straight road. A scooterist wishes to overtake the bus in 100 seconds. If the bus is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the scooterist, with what speed should the scooterist chase the bus? Okay, at first we have to note that what informations are given. At first it is given the bus is moving with speed 10 meter per second according to the observer standing on the road, right? According to the observer who is standing on the road, we can say that the observer is standing on the ground, so the velocity of bus with respect to ground is 10 meter per second. Okay, a scooterist wishes to overtake the bus in 100 seconds, so the time is 100 second in which time the scooterist wants to overtake the bus. If the bus is at a distance 1 kilometer from the scooterist, the distance between the bus and the scooterist is 1 kilometer. That means 1000 meter. Okay. With what speed should the scooterist chase the bus? Okay. We have to calculate the velocity of the scooterist with respect to the ground. Means with respect to this observer. We have to calculate this. Both bus and the scooter are moving in same direction, right? The scooter is moving in this direction and bus is also moving in this direction. So the velocity of the scooter with respect to the bus is equals to velocity of the scooter with respect to the ground minus velocity of the bus with respect to the ground. We don't know this velocity, we are marking it as v1, and we know this velocity, that is 10. Okay, both are moving in same direction. So suppose this is v1, so this is the velocity of the scooter with respect to the bus, and the time taken to overtake is 100 seconds. We know that velocity is equals to distance by time, right? So here v1 minus 10 is equals to the distance is 1000 meter divided by 100 seconds. So this we are calculating, this is 10. So from here v1 is equals to 10 plus 10, that is 20 meter per second. This is the velocity of the scooter with respect to the ground. So option D is the correct option. See why we are taking this velocity here, that is v1 minus 10, that means the velocity of the scooter with respect to the bus, because the person who is sitting in the bus, the person is seeing that the velocity that the scooter is coming with the velocity v1 minus 10, as the bus and the scooter both are moving in same direction. Bus is moving with velocity 10 meter per second and scooter is moving with velocity 20 meter per second. Suppose I am standing on the ground and I am observing the entire scenario. So I am seeing that the bus is moving with velocity 10 meter per second towards east, and the scooter is also moving with velocity 20 meter per second towards east. But the person who is sitting on the bus, the person will observe that the scooter is coming towards the bus with the velocity v1 minus 10, that is 10 meter per second. So we are taking the velocity as the resultant velocity as v1 minus 10. We are not taking the resultant velocity 20, because the person who is sitting on the bus, the person is observing that the scooter is coming towards the bus with velocity v1 minus 10 and the scooter is overcoming the distance 1000 meter with the velocity v1 minus 10. So here we are taking the velocity v1 minus 10 is equals to the distance divided by the time taken. This is the major thing in the problem. Thank you everyone for observing the video, and I hope you understand. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Your valuable comments is very important for us, and always subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.